Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well. Thank you for checking out my video. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload videos. All right, I am back. Today I want to talk about a program in which you can receive instant payments, $100 payments, $250 payments, $500 payments, $1,000 payments, instant commissions directly to you, however you so choose to receive those payments. Okay, so an awesome program that's been around, I want to say 6 years, maybe something like that. And I love the professionalism of the website. The whole presentation, everything is very well put together. As you can see, I'm looking at one of the capture pages right now. That's in the back office. It is just powerful. Okay, this is very professional. Look at the colors and everything. So let's talk about it. This is Exitus Elite, and I have listed this as my #1 recommended way to make money online because you get paid 4 ways. So let's go take a look at the website and check it out. Now, this is the video sales page. This is the presentation that does all the selling and telling for you. It's an 8-minute short video. Okay, when people watch this video, either they're in or they're out. It will do all the sifting and sorting, if you will. Okay, that's what I like about it. It's very clear and precise on how you get paid, the compensation. It even talks about the products. But I want to show you, let's go to the website of it. As you can see, this is a very nice page. I'm going to let you just check a snippet of it out. Oh, they're updating it, so let's let it go through that. Hang on a second. Okay, I fast forwarded.
Welcome to Exitus Elite, the proven online digital business that works for just about everybody. Built from the ground up to ensure our members' success, Exitus has become one of the internet's premier online opportunities. By providing high-quality digital products, an exciting profitable compensation plan, and an automated...
But you see what I mean? I mean, it's very clear, very professional. So that's the 8-minute video that will do the sifting and sorting for you. But I want to go to the website so you can check out just how nicely done that they put this together. All right, so let's go take a look at that. Now, this is the website, okay, that you get. As you can see, I mean, look at this. This is really, really nice. I love the color scheme. It's just awesome. So if you come down here and it explains it, Exitus Elite is a membership-based online business. Okay, it talks about that. Having an online business has so many benefits, which it does. So digital products, okay, I love digital products. So meaning you can get these instantly. Nothing's going to come in the mail to you. They don't have to ship anything to you. You get instant access. As soon as you sign up, you're going to get an email notification. You can log in your back office, and the products you purchased are there right at your fingertips. I mean, you can do this from any smart device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or a computer. Okay, and the commission structure, as I stated, is $100 commissions, $250, $500, $1,000 commissions, and I understand they're going to add a $2,000 level as well. So this page is very nice. Let me show you the actual products. Okay, the products is the Genesis library. Okay, you get all these digital products: G100, G250, G500, G1000. Very well put together. Everything is either in MP4 video, MP3 audio, or PDF. So video tutorials, okay, and you can download this stuff. And you go back here and you actually learn something. I know a lot of people sign up for the programs and they just want to make money, but they never actually touch the products that they bought. They never click on it to actually get the training and be able to implement some of this stuff. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of the products, and then we'll go into the back office too. Okay, so right here, the Genesis Education Library, G100. You get a lot of training with that G100, a lot of product 12 videos there, 10 videos. I mean, it tells you how many videos is with each product. Okay, so as you can see right here, for $100 you get all this. Let's go down to the next one, G250. I'm gonna put the link below so you can go check it out. Matter of fact, you can just go to getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, getpaidfromhome.info and check it out. G250. Here's all the training you get. And you actually need to go and check this stuff out, guys. I always learn something when I go and check out these products. Evergreen leads. And look at this. It tells you how many videos is in each one of these. Okay. All right. So that's your G250. You make $250 every time you sell that product. G500. A plethora of training is here for you guys to learn. You can promote this program. It converts on its own. I mean, there's a lot of funnels out there, but you literally can use the pages that they provide. That's how high converting it is. Okay, so the G500 has quite a bit in here. This is where you can start earning these mid-ticket commissions. And then they have the G1000. Okay, you want to make high-ticket commissions, this is the system you need to get. From $100 to $1,000. And anytime anyone signs up at a higher level than you, you will still at least make the level in which you join. Okay, so look at all this. Okay, so you want to learn how to make money online, you want a digital business, this is the program you want to get. All right, let's go into the back office real quick so I can show you the back office. Okay, we cannot show the dashboard that shows the amount of money in Exitus Elite. You can't show the dashboard, so that is off limits. In a way, I kind of like that the owner doesn't allow you to go in here and show that. So I'm just going to show you here those products that I purchased. I'm at the G1000. So right here I clicked on G100, and right here you can see G2000 is coming, but I have all the levels right now. Okay, so we'll go to G250. Same thing I just showed you, but in more depth. You can get a view the description here. All this, guys, you want to learn how to make money online, this is the program you want to get in. Okay, so we check G500. Okay, and we go down G1000 and see here, all of this is here for you. Okay, all this is here. As you can see right here, move this over. You see I'm G1000. It tells you I'm qualified. That means someone has already come in and purchased a G1000. The way this one works, I'm at the G1000, so my very first G1000 sale had to be passed up to my sponsor. Okay, so I'm qualified. That means I've done that. Okay, and every $1,000 sale that comes past that, I keep. I only had to pass that one up. I don't have to pass any other sales up. I keep everything. Now, let's talk about that compensation plan real quick. So why I decided to plant my flag with this particular program. There's hundreds of them out there like this, digital programs. I like that the little guy doesn't lose. So for an example, if somebody came in at the $100 level, right, and they sold a $250 product, the G250, they still get to keep $100 of that $250. The other $150 would pass up. Okay, and if you decide to upgrade and go to the next level, all you have to do is pay the difference plus the admin. Versus there's a lot of programs like this business model. If you didn't purchase that product yourself, you would lose the whole sale. In other words, if you came in at the 100 and someone purchased the 250 product, you would lose the whole sale because you don't own the 250. Whereas Exitus says, no, we still want you to at least make 100. You invested 140. It's 100 plus the $40 admin, the reseller license. So you will still keep 100, and we'll pass the 150 up to the person next in line that has purchased it. That's what I like about it, okay? That I think it's a fair comp plan. Because I know when folks get in, sometimes they can only afford the 100. And if they're out there promoting, and the sales, all the sales they make are at the higher levels, they lose that wholesale. So that was the main thing that I liked about it. And I just like the whole website and everything that they've got here. Now, what I want to show you is one or two of the capture pages, and I'm going to show you, I can't show you the back office, but I can show you that I received a payment via Cash App for the G500 level. This is where you want to be if you want to learn how to market online. So let's go check it out. So look at these capture pages, guys. Okay. All these capture pages are here for you. Okay. So all you have to do is drive traffic to these pages. They have an autoresponder that's included. Everything is right here for you. Okay. You want to cater to the moms, you could promote this page. You want to cater to retirement, you could promote this page. I mean, baby steps. They've got something here that's captivating. Just about whether it's the future, daycare, brand new. I just like the whole idea of the way they have this set up. And matter of fact, they're in the process of doing some updates and adding some more pages back here. So this is definitely a plug and play. Get your website and start promoting. Let me show you this G500 that I received via Cash App. Okay, as you can see right here, okay, I put in the search bar Cash App, so I can just pull this one up, and here you have it. And the person stated Exitus Elite package. Okay, so you definitely want to get in this, get started. Matter of fact, and everybody that comes in April, I've got a special bonus going. But this person, the G500, I'm going to send 200 visitors. I'm going to do a solo ad and send 200 visitors to their capture page. Okay, so here you have it. Exitus Elite. You want to get paid 4 different ways: direct sales, pass-ups, overrides, and upgrades. That's 4 ways that you get paid. Okay, so a powerful program, a great presentation. It's going to do the selling and telling, definitely for a newbie. Okay, you don't have to go and create any funnels or any of that. Just sign up, plug in. I help walk you through everything to get everything set up for you to make sure you're good to go. I provide you some traffic sources that I'm using to send targeted people to my pages. Okay, and I show you how to do that. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.